In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event for Facebook in Meta Business Suite. To get started, remember that events are always created from a Facebook page, not from your personal profile. So first, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages the page you want to use. Once you're logged in, head over to that Facebook page. When you're on your page, look towards the top right of the screen for the menu icon. Depending on your layout, this might look like 3 horizontal lines or a grid-style menu. Go ahead and click that menu icon to open up more options related to your page. In the menu, look for the section labeled Social. Under that section, you should see an option called Events. Click on Events. This will take you to the Events area for your page, where you can see any existing events and, more importantly, create new ones. On the Events page, find and click the button that says Create New Event. This opens up the event creation form where you'll enter all the information people will see. Start by clicking into the event name field and typing in a clear, concise title for your event. Make it something that tells people exactly what to expect, like a workshop, sale, launch, or gathering. Next, set your start date. Click into the start date field and choose the correct day from the calendar. After that, click into the start time field and select the time your event will begin. Right below or nearby, you'll see the time zone option. Click into the time zone and make sure it matches where your event will take place, or the main audience you're targeting, so people see the correct local time. Now, choose whether your event is in person or virtual. Click on the drop-down that asks if it's in person or virtual and select the option that best fits. If it's in person, you'll later be able to add a location. If it's virtual, you might add a link or meeting details. Then decide who can see your event. Click on the Who Can See It drop-down and choose either private, public, or group, depending on how widely you want to share it. In the What are the details field, type a clear description of your event. Include what will happen, who it's for, any requirements, and how people can attend. If you want, you can also add co-hosts, set the event to repeat, or adjust additional settings by clicking the relevant options on the screen. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Create Event to publish it. Your event is now live and ready to